In this video, let's learn how to add dynamic lock screen wallpapers. If we enable these dynamic wallpapers, we can see different wallpapers on our lock screen. Now you can see this wallpaper only. After we enable this dynamic lock screen wallpaper option, when we turn on our lock screen, we can see different changing wallpapers. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and go to wallpapers and style option. In here, click on this change wallpapers option. In here, you can change any wallpapers as you like. Now let's see how to add dynamic wallpapers. You want to scroll down. In this wallpaper services section, you can see dynamic lock screen option. Click on it. In here, you can download any wallpaper package. You want to turn on your mobile data or connect to Wi-Fi. Now I am using Wi-Fi. Scroll down this page little bit. After, you can enable this auto update option. If you enable this feature, the wallpapers in your current rotation will be updated automatically from time to time. If you are using mobile data, you can enable this download using mobile data option. After, you can download any category on this wallpaper. Now I already downloaded this landscape category. Now I enable it. Okay, wallpaper applied to lock screen. Now I come to my home screen and turn off my lock screen and let's check. You can see our new wallpapers. You can see wallpapers are automatically changing. In this method, you can activate colorful wallpapers on your mobile lock screen.